uneven ground right here.
They're pushing a lot of weight.
Hello? Yeah, hi, Dave.
It's almost noon now. The house has moved probably 100 feet from where it originally sat.
And there are still 500 feet to go before the house clears the pasture.
There's 4 fences that have to be taken down.
Right here in the middle.
Just go right in the middle.
The first fence is down.
It's just crazy to see a house of that size moving.
Hopefully everything gets there all intact.
But the rain isn't helping.
Something slide?
It's kind of stuck. It's a heavy building, 220 tons. The wet, slick on the steel plate, that's the challenge of that.
This is definitely the most stressful part of the flight.
Run!